I got you. There you are.
You too tall.
There's a restaurant, cafe up above. So, what do you think? Should we go check that out?
Yeah.
Alright.
Very quick. It's melty.
It is melting. So we are currently eating $6 ice cream instead of a $9 ice cream due to the FBOS machine being down at the little cafe there at the moment. So the FBOS was down, so and of course we didn't have any cash on us today, except I found $6 in gold coins in my bag. So as a gesture of goodwill, I decided to give the cafe $6, which is better than nothing. And they were kind enough to let us take the ice cream as well. They said we could have the ice cream for $6 instead of $9. So, because really it's not our fault if their modem was down, so therefore they couldn't receive electronic payment. The alternative was that they could have said, no, sorry, you can't have the ice cream. But we had already started to eat the ice cream before completing payment. So we are now going to enjoy this delicious ice cream. Not bad for $6.
It's cheaper.
How would you compare this to ice cream in Taiwan? Is this better than ice cream in Taiwan, or Taiwan ice cream is better?
I don't want to say something wrong.
Okay, ice cream.
It's an international.
Ice cream in Taiwan is better than ice cream in Perth.
Oh, it's not come from me.
That's okay. Maybe the ice cream's better then.
Which one you
Delicious.
more like it? You like the caramel or the hazelnut?
I like the hazelnut, but the thing is, the flavors in there are starting to merge because one's on top and then one's at the bottom. So, yeah, they're almost merging together. So, what do you give the ice cream out of 10?
For the flavor, it's like 7. But
7?
for the price, it's 10. Oh, okay.
Very,
$6.
Yeah.
It's good.
it's a bargain.
Yeah. What do you think about here, Kings Park?
I think it's a very beautiful park. It's a very spacious park. I think it's a great place for families to come down here and have an enjoyable time any time of the day, really. Yeah, very magnificent park. So it's been a part of Perth culture for a long time. I remember coming to Kings Park when I was a kid back in the 80s, 90s. We'd come here for barbecues and different events and whatnot. I think it's a very important tourist attraction, Kings Park. A lot of tourists like to come to Kings Park, and you can see why, isn't it? It's just such a beautiful park. There's many things to do here, and it's great exercise as well. You can walk around for a few hours and have a look at the different plants, flora, fauna, and there's amazing views of the city as well. So it's breathtaking, some of the views. So, very great place to come and visit. So if you're in Perth, you should definitely visit Kings Park.
It's a really good weather now.
Yeah, it's nice and cool now.
Yeah, a lot of
It's starting to cool off now. What time would you say it is?
5.
About 5
Oh,
o'clock?
it's 6:19.
Oh, actually, there we go. Time flies when you're having fun. It's currently about 6:19 at Kings Park. And it's a bit of a nice, cool breeze as we're just walking around, enjoying the views. It's a very beautiful evening. Lover's Walk is closed.
No, I'm shy there. I feel you.
Lover's Walk is closed.
The man who saved Australia, Major General Atop Allen, GOC 7th
Division.
Division. Australian soldiers, although outnumbered and outgunned, finally succeeded in stopping the Japanese force from reaching Port
Moresby, Papua New Guinea.
in September 1942.
1,500 Australian soldiers confronted the Japanese at Isurava in late August. 3 weeks later, only 143 remained at Meter Ridge in memory of fallen comrades. A little bit of a map there. Some more maps.
I have listened people say someone will.
Yeah, like that.
No, I'm asking you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I have listened someone say they will kill someone and then take the dead body to put here because King's Park too big, so it's easier to, hiding the body.
Maybe in the past it might have been easier to do that, but I think with today's technology, with all the cameras
But
and
Australia-
CCTV,
Yeah.
it might be a little bit harder to do that. But yeah, I've heard that as well, that people... Yeah, I've heard that people, it's happened before in the past. Yeah, but whether people have died here and been buried or murdered, that's something we'd have to research and look into. But yeah.
Yeah.
Why, are you feeling a bit scared, are you?
Maybe. No, I'm not scared. I'm not a coward.
I think we need to be more scared of the person that stole our fire extinguisher.
Give me.
Well, it looks like the rooftop walk closes at 5 p.m. So if you put the camera in there, you can actually see part of the walk, but unfortunately it's only open from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. so we've missed it by an hour or so. Nonetheless, very scenic.
Maybe we come to tomorrow.
Tomorrow's Kmart, baby.
But we will not spend all day in the Kmart.
Oh really? I thought we were going to spend all day at Kmart.
You sure?
No.
I can. I'm a woman.
True.
I can spend all day in the Kmart to
Yeah.
shopping. I can see everything.
You can put me in one of the little carts and just drag me around them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If the security say yes,
Yeah.
and I reckon I can do that.
Okay then.
Away.
Wedding photos. It should say wedding photos are not permitted on walkway.
Really?
Yeah, it reads a little bit better than wedding photos not permitted on walkway. They're
Maybe-
both correct, really.
Maybe next time we take the pen and then like it.
Well, now you've just told the world that you're the one that's going to write on there. So.
Oh, you see, waiting for those can.
Yeah, the reason would be is I think possibly it may hold up the walkway for too long.
Yeah, so maybe we can filming.
Yeah, but back to your question, why wedding photos are not permitted on the walkway is it would hold up the walkway a little bit too much. And then there'd be guests and whatnot. So
Too heavy?
yeah, that's one factor possibly. But I think it would just be block the pathway too much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They said can't have the dog too.
Yeah, no dogs.
So maybe can bring the cat.
Yeah, you can bring your cat. No smoking, no running, no motorbikes, no e-bikes, no roller skating, no skateboards.
No children.
I know.
No, it says no hand holding.
So we can't hand hold.
Oh.
We just can hand holding on the love walking.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Alrighty.
So we walk there or there?
We'll go back up here.
Alright.
No. Alrighty.
Alrighty.
You are my beautiful love, a whisper in the night, a gentle dove. When the stars align and fate feels right, hold me close, hold me tight. When the dark nights, the sky anew, with every touch I fall deeper into you. Your heartbeat a rhythm I'll always know, in its cadence our promises grow. You are my beautiful love, a whisper in the night, a gentle dove. When the stars align and fate feels right.
That's so cool. The star in the middle. It looks like the fake friend.
Well, that concludes our little tour of Kings Park today. I hope you enjoyed our video, and tune in for our next one, for wherever the next adventure may be. Okay, see you next time.
You are my beautiful love, a whisper in the night, a gentle dove. When the stars align and fate feels right, hold me close, hold me tight. When the dark nights, the sky anew, with every touch I fall deeper into you. Your heartbeat a rhythm I'll always know, in its cadence our promises grow.